don't know.
Well, I know I usually watch Y50.
Recording?
Damn! Shit. I was watching The Killing at Cindy's when we had lunch today, and then I missed the new one yesterday, and then I didn't get to finish the one I was watching today either.
Hi.
Already.
Try talking.
Ryan? It's not coming. It went away. Wait. Ow!
It's so cute.
Did you turn the oven off?
Yeah. Who am I supposed to call again?
Dave.
What's the number?
I told you, 394. But don't do it now that you're cooking dinner.
Okay. 9.
Do it after.
Call 911.
Yeah. That's the right number.
Hello.
Why is
Yes,
the
I'd
light
like
on?
to report something. I got the hiccups and I need some water. Yes. Never mind, I think it went away. Okay, there.
Oh my
Bye.
God.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to remember. Stop. That annoys me. You're doing it loud on fucking purpose.
No. I'm not even... Shh. Nancy Vaughn. And I love Ryan.
Now go. And
Go to the
take
kitchen.
those out. So
Check our food.
and then
Ow. What? Everything what? I'm farting.
Ow.
Wow.
Okay. Let's open this. Ow, it's hot.
I'm done.
boom. That didn't work.
Yeah, I don't get scared. Wait, dude.
Hmm?
Maybe it did.